Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7471A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat. That makes this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. A factory trailer hitch on the back here. You have the Ford bed liner in here, keeping the bed nice and safe, and the Lear hard cap on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, four-wheel drive controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.